Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Peace and blessings of God upon all of you. Welcome to Arabic teaching channel. I am Dr. Ahmad Zafarullah Nadwi, Professor, Sadaqatullah College, Tirunelveli, Tamil Nadu, South India. My dear students, among the general classifications of the verbs in Arabic are sound verbs and weak verbs, which are called in Arabic al-fi'lu Swahiihu wal-fi'lu mu'tallu respectively. The sound verb is a verb in which all the three radical letters are sound letters other than the weak letters. The weak letters are three: alif, waw and ya. Out of the 28 Arabic letters, 3 letters are called weak letters, and they are alif, waw and ya. Alif, waw and ya. Alif, waw and ya. These 3 letters are called weak letters, which are also used as a long vowels in Arabic. Dear students, if any Arabic verb is free from these 3 letters, the verb is called sound verb. If any one of these 3 letters found in any verb, the verb is called weak verb. For example, there is a verb in Arabic, ja'ala, which means he made. He made. Ja'ala is a Arabic verb, past tense, perfect tense. Past tense, I mean perfect tense. There are 3 radical letters in this verb. Number 1, Jim. Second, A, Ain and La. Ja'ala. When we join this letter, the shape will take like this. It will take the shape like this. Ja'ala. Ja'ala, which means he made. All the 3 radical letters in this verb are sound letters. There is no any weak letters, alif, waw, ya. So this verb is called sound verb. Dear students, and the weak verb is a verb in which 1 or 2 radical letters are weak letters. I mean alif, waw, ya. And the weak verbs are of 3 kinds. The weak verbs are of 3 kinds. Number 1, al-misalu. Al-misalu, which means assimilated weak verb. Assimilated weak verb, in which the first radical letter is a weak letter. For example, there is a verb in Arabic, wa'ada, which means He promised. He promised. He promised. There are three radical letters in this verb. Wa'ada. The first radical letter waw, second radical letter ain, third radical letter dal. Okay, so ain. This verb is weak verb because the first letter waw is one of the weak letters. Alif, waw, ya. Weak letters. So this verb is called weak verb. And this same verb also called assimilated weak verb because the weak letter waw located as first letter, located in the beginning. So this weak verb is also called assimilated weak verb. Okay, student. Next, second kind of weak verb is called in Arabic al-ajwafu. Al-ajwafu. Ajwafu, which means hallowed. Hallow verb. Hallow weak verb. Hallow weak verb. It means the second radical letter is weak letter. Second radical letter, weak letter. For example, there is a verb in Arabic zara. 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 Which means he visited. He visited. He visited. In this verb there are three radical letters: za, a, ra. Za, alif, and ra. This verb is weak verb because the second radical letter alif is one of the weak letters. Alif, waw, ya. And this verb also called hollow weak verb because the radical letter is located at the second place. Located in the second place. The second radical letter is weak letter. So this verb also called hollow weak verb. Okay. Next, the third kind of the weak verb is called an-nakis. An-nakis. An-nakisu, which means the defective weak verb. Defective weak verb. Defective weak verb. Weak verb. It means the third radical letter is weak letter. For example, there is a verb in Arabic radiya. Radiya. Ra, do, and ya. Radiya. Which means he satisfied. He satisfied. There are three radical letters in this verb. Number one, ra. Number two, do. Three, ya. This verb is called weak verb because the third radical letter is ya. Ya is one of the weak letters. And this verb also called the defective weak verb because the radical letter, the weak letter is located in the third place. The third place. Therefore, this verb is called the defective weak verb. Dear students, all the verbs just now I mentioned are past tense. I mean the perfect tense. The weak letters, the weak verbs are of three kinds. Number one, al-misalu, which means assimilated weak verb, in which the first radical letter is weak letter. The second kind of the weak verb is called al-ajwaf, which means hollow weak verb, in which the second radical letter is weak letter. And the third kind of the weak verb is called an-nakis, which means the defective weak verb, in which the third radical letter is weak letter. Dear students, hope you have understood about the sound and weak verbs. Dear students, let's go through all my video and learn Arabic. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the God Almighty, will shower blessings upon all of you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.